Music is a multifaceted concept that acts as a profound bridge between diverse cultures and ideologies. Often celebrated as the universal language, it possesses the unique capacity to convey complex emotional narratives which frequently bypass linguistic barriers. Empirical research suggests that the effects of music are extensive. It doesn't merely alter our immediate mood, but actually reshapes our mental state, fostering psychological resilience and balance. By stimulating the brain, music serves as a powerful catalyst for emotional intelligence and cognitive development across the human lifespan. The utility of music extends far beyond simple aesthetic appreciation into the realms of mental and physical optimization. For instance, the Mozart effect has long been a subject of debate regarding its purported influence on spatial reasoning. In the sphere of high-performance athletics, music acts as a tool to enhance output by distracting the mind from physiological fatigue. Moreover, the evocative power of music is unparalleled in its ability to anchor our autobiographical memories. The brain's auditory system is intricately linked to areas responsible for memory, which explains why certain harmonies can trigger vivid recollections of the distant past with startling clarity. On a macro level, music is woven into the very fabric of our societal structures, serving as an instrument for social cohesion and collective healing. It provides a platform for marginalized voices and reinforces communal bonds during periods of significant upheaval. In our contemporary hyper-connected world, the globalization of music, driven by algorithmic discovery, encourages a more empathetic understanding of others. By exposing listeners to unfamiliar scales and rhythms, music dismantles narrow-minded perspectives and promotes a more cosmopolitan worldview. Ultimately, music is not merely a form of entertainment, but a sophisticated tool for self-actualization and human connection. It allows us to articulate feelings that exist beyond the reach of our everyday vocabulary. As we navigate an increasingly digital experience, the organic resonance of music reminds us of our shared humanity, enriching the human condition with profound depth and a sense of enduring harmony.